Hey, Will here from PPC Coach. So, we are in, right now, it's the end of May 30th, 2022, as I shoot this video. And the reason I'm giving you the date is we're coming into wedding season. And what that means is typically during a wedding, there's a ton of money spent on the wedding, like thousands and thousands of dollars on the venue, on food, on the, the parties before, after, during. Like, it's just a buttload of money to spend. But one of the areas as print-on-demand sellers that we can really profit from is the groom buying the bride a gift. So I went to Google and I typed in, do grooms buy the bride a gift? And it's like, is it a thing? And the bottom line is, yeah, it's a thing. Apparently, we are supposed to. It's customary for brides and grooms to exchange gifts, as well as vows and rings when they get married. You might call it an optional tradition. Some couples exchange gifts the night before, the morning of, get rid of that, the morning of, or after the ceremony is complete. So it's like, what gift do they give? Well, this is where we come in as marketers. And you see there's a whole bunch. Like, basically the groom is responsible for purchasing gifts for the groomsmen. That's not what we're talking about, though. We're talking about the groom buying his bride a gift. So let's go here. Let's go to Etsy and let's see. Is there anything possible, and I'm not saying we're not going to use Etsy, but something like this. If I go here and I look up to my wife, check all this out. There's like a whole bunch of these nice things called message cards. And if you go here, and let's just click on one and have a look, we can actually make this. I know the company that makes this. I know a lot of you already do. This one says, to my wife, the most wonderful thing I decided to do was sharing my life with you. Though many things that have changed in time we've been together, my love for you is still as strong as the day we said I do, your loving husband. So you could word that a little bit differently, but look at this. If there's 22 reviews on that on Etsy, that means maybe we'll assume like 15% of the people did a review. So if we divide 22 times 0.15, that means this one has sold about 147 units. So if I take, and this is Canadian dollars for me, if I take 147, let's go back here, 147 of these sold, 147 times 75.87, that means it's brought in a revenue of about $11,152.89. Now let's assume that it costs approximately $21, we'll say. So that's 307, and let's subtract that, make that negative, and add in the 11,152.89. So this little one here profited about $8,000. Now that's on Etsy, so they probably didn't use any ads. We can use ads to promote these though if we want. So that's $8,000 before ad costs. If it costs them like even, I don't know, half that, $4,000 say in ads to make $8,000 profit, that's still pretty decent, right? And that's just one. You can do several of these. So what am I doing? Well, I'm basically going to be teaching people how to sell these. Now, not on Etsy, but using ads. So we're going to create these. We're going to come up with ideas. We're going to create them. We're going to upload them. Then we're going to sell them. We're going to market them. And I'm going to teach you how to do this. And how am I going to teach you how to do this? Well, right here in my group coaching. So this is where you can go here, ppc-coach.com/trial, click join now. When you click join now, you'll go here to a little page. It's a $1 trial for 7 days, which does convert into $49.99 per month after that. You can cancel at any time. So come on in, check out at least the first training, which is starting Thursday at 11 o'clock a.m. And then inside here, this is what it looks like when you join. You'll see here it is, the groom to bride gift. So you'll go in here and you can see we're just starting this, so there's nothing in here yet. But you go in here, you click to register for all the sessions, and then there's session 1, which is Thursday, June 2nd, session 2, Thursday, June 9th, session 3, Thursday, June 16th. The replays all go in here, and you can see from all this too, if I go back, we just ran one for Father's Day, so you get access to this too. So you get access to the Father's Day one. There's already 3 trainings done. And then on top of that, you also get access to all of the previous 33 trainings going back to September 2019. Now, what the heck is this place? What are you talking about, Will? Well, you can think of my group coaching program that you're looking at on the screen right now as a live course. So it's actually where I do everything live over the shoulder. I'm just going to go to another page here for a second. So this is it. We're at challenge number 34 on my group coaching program. And in here, what's happening is you get 3 live training sessions, full over-the-shoulder instructions from A to Z. So it doesn't matter if you're experienced or you've never done this before. I will teach you everything. I will answer all questions, provide you full support right inside the group coaching forum. You watch me do it live, and then you do it in your accounts. So what you're going to be selling is a groom to bride gift. Don't worry, I'm going to show you exactly where to find them, how to make them, how to upload them, how to sell them, how to get paid. Everything is going to be taken care of, as well as how to market it. And it's called a message card, because a message card is basically, it looks like this. It's a box, and it's got a message on it, and it's got a nice little necklace on it too. And you can see there's other ones too. There's different styles, a whole bunch of different styles that you can do. If I scroll down here, there's even more. Especially on Etsy, there's a ton of them. So I just use Etsy as an example because I know there's a bunch on there from marketers like you and I. So when does it start? Like I said, live training 1 is here, June 2nd, June 9th, June 16th. If you can't make it live, because I know some people have day jobs, the replays will be posted. And the bonus is you get access to the 33 previous challenges inside the program, which is huge. So if we go back here, each one of these 33 group challenges inside here, they have at minimum 3 training sessions each. So if you go to Valentine's Day back here, and you click here, they're all in the sticky thread. You can see, there it is there it is there. And I think this one we did TikTok ads, and I think that was message cards as well. So what I basically do is, each month I'll come up with an event, and then a product that people can give as a gift, and then a way to market it. So it could be free traffic, or it could be paid traffic. And paid traffic wise, I might use TikTok ads, or I might use YouTube ads, or I might use Google search. In the past, I used to use Facebook ads a lot. Now I don't use Facebook ads at all. As well as I talk about email marketing in here too. There's a lot on that. You can even go back to the previous wedding ones to see what we did in years previous. There's Mother's Day, there's Happy Birthday, there's Christmas challenges, there's face masks, teachers, Mother's Day again, funny coffee mug. There's a lot of challenges in here. If we go back here, you get access to this one too, and I think this one was Facebook ads. So I show you a lot on how to set up everything, and then we get into the live training where we actually do it. And in that case, I believe what we were selling was a necklace. So the bottom line is, you want to make money with print on demand, and you want to sell products that people want, then you should be in the group coaching program. So again, to join, you need to go here. It is ppc-coach.com/trial. Go there, click the join now button. It will take you to this page, and all you do is fill in your information, complete the order, and then you are in. You're going to get login information sent to your inbox, and the first place you're going to go is right here in general discussion, and you're going to go welcome to the forums, please read me first, and you're going to go through this thread. Okay, and that explains everything that you need to do. Second thing you're going to do is go to the intros, and again, there's a read me first in here, but you post your introduction of who you are. There's mine, my history, and then I ask that people start a new thread and post their own. So basically, if you want to profit from the wedding season, if you want to be the gift that a groom gives to their bride, and the summer is a hot time for weddings. A lot of people get married in the summer. I did. I got married in August, and I know June, July, August are just crazy times for weddings. So there's a lot of money being spent, and now it's just up to you to reach out and get your share. So there's a huge pie spent, and if I go back here and we go looking at how much is spent on weddings, the average cost of a wedding in 2021 was $28,000, including ceremony and reception. So do you think our little piece of that is really going to make any kind of dent in there? I mean, people are already buying gifts. People are buying gifts for the bride and groom, and then the groom is buying a gift for the bride, and the bride will usually buy a gift for the groom too. So it can work both ways. I've always found that when in the jewelry world, when the groom is buying the bride a piece of jewelry with a lovely message on it, like I'll teach you exactly what you could put on it too for quotes. We're looking for a sentimental reaction, or we could even look for like a funny reaction too. But bottom line is, if you've never really profited from the wedding season in the past, now is the time. So we're going to do that with the groom buying a message card for the bride, and I'm going to teach you exactly how to do it from A to Z, no stone left unturned. And if you think I don't know what I'm doing, well, I'm up to like 1.5 million now that I've sold in print-on-demand products, the bulk of that being jewelry. So I'm very good at what I do, and I can't wait to teach you. So if you're interested, go here, ppc-coach.com/trial. You can watch all this. You can go through this whole page, kind of sales page, see what it is. But you just click that button to join now, and then you'll be taken to the checkout, complete it, and you're in. And then our first challenge is going to start on Thursday, and I do run a challenge every month. So if you stay on, that's awesome, because you'll be getting a new challenge every month. All right, go ahead, check that out, and I hope you join. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, or just email me, ppccoach@gmail.com, and I'd be happy to help you out. All right, have a great day. We will talk to you soon.